Imatest software, charts, and equipment allow you to measure the characteristics and quality of imaging systems. Imatest version 23.1 includes many new updates, such as settings and image preview improvements, new slanted edge-based measurements, auto exposure and video support in arbitrary charts, and more. 23.1 includes several improved settings in our main window GUI. Search for settings, navigate to different module settings, and save settings options allow for a customized and streamlined user experience. You can even reload settings from an INI file. An undo button and the option to reset to default, as well as breadcrumbs at the top of the window, are available now. You can always go to the legacy settings to navigate to our previous settings mode. These new settings replace ROI options in previous releases. Image Preview now allows you to open any image that may not be visible in the main window otherwise. In addition, images now load and display faster than before, and minimap improvements allow for seamless movement around the image. You can also store image metadata in the Imatest database. Open Image Preview to view EXIF data from your images. Toggle data, other images displayed at the bottom, and the minimap on and off. New measurements available for slanted edge analysis include information capacity, noise power spectrum, noise equivalent quanta, object visibility, and SNRI. These new measurements make slanted edge camera testing significantly more comprehensive and powerful. Learn more from Norman Corin's video. Several new stray light module updates were incorporated to improve the calculation fidelity and user experience. 23.1 adds the ability to have separate light source mask settings for the test and reference image. Users can now choose image processing and none as masking methods. In addition, users can directly enter their own externally calculated normalization level. Other additions include new pixel count results, new reference image compensation factors for light level, integration time and gain, as well as improved masking for when the light source is outside of the camera FOV. 23.1 also comes with updated nomenclature and an improved interface to make it easier to get started with stray light testing. A new distortion parameter was added to the arbitrary charts module to support distorted targets. Users can upload a checkerboard image into Charts utility to characterize the distortion, then apply the measured parameters in arbitrary charts to realign the ROIs. In addition, video analysis is now supported in the arbitrary charts module. Users can either combine selected frames for signal averaging, or users can load in a selected range for comprehensive batch analysis. For the comprehensive analysis, a JSON video analysis results file is created. The video results file includes Imatest auto exposure measurements and auto exposure analysis compliant with VCX Webcam 2023. Version 23.1 adds calculations for row, column, and pixel noise spatial variations to flat field interactive and fixed modules based on EMVA 1288 version 4.0 linear standard. Additionally, the corresponding PRNU and DSNU calculations for rows, columns, and pixels have been updated, and the residual temporal noise variations have been corrected. The updated calculations allow for the decomposition of overall spatial variance into row, column, and pixel variance, which can be used to characterize non-uniformities in sensor response due to temporal variations. Imatest 23.1 now includes gamut vision. Originally created in 2006, gamut vision helps explore the behavior of ICC profiles to visualize gamut mapping and changes in color and tone when images are moved between different devices. It allows users to view gamuts of color spaces, displays, and printers, evaluate ICC profile quality, and preview printer, paper, and photo lab performance. Improved SFR-reg detection now uses an artificial intelligence model. The confidence threshold can be lowered to accommodate difficult-to-detect registration marks, or it can be raised to prevent false detection. Other minor version 23.1 features include Tour mode to demonstrate the usage of the new main window, improvement of default settings for slanted edge region selection, step chart ROI fill factor, and delta E 2000 color correction, split plot improvement to include exposure match reference values for color and tone, offline floating license server, allowing deployment of concurrent licenses and virtual machines in an offline environment, and IT EXE improved command line interface. Learn more about all 23.1 features and download the software at imatest.com/23.1.